Hey there! Welcome to this mini course. In this mini course, we'll be going to learn how we can do full stack production deployment. So we will pick a kind of Node.js backend application and React.js frontend application, and we will prepare both of the applications to production ready, and we will deploy on our production environment. So in this case, we'll be going to choose the AWS infrastructure, where we will put our hands on a little bit to understand like what are the infrastructure stuff we need to take a look, right? So those things we'll be going to cover, right? So hope this course, like by end of this course, you'll be able to learn how we can do efficiently the production deployment for your backend and frontend together. So there are a lot of things you'll be going to cover throughout of this whole course. Though it's a kind of mini course, but it's a kind of full of practical, right? So you no need to worry about the writing frontend and backend code. So we have already prepared two different repositories, two different sample projects, where we'll be going to put our hands on setting up our own CI/CD setup, and we'll be going to configure everything with the help of like SSL and SSH. And finally, we'll be going to expose everything together in our AWS environment. So where our production frontend can talk to our production backend by keeping the security stuff. I hope this course will be really going to be beneficial for you. And we will try to keep this course minimalistic. So that's why we are putting this course under our mini course section in our learning platform codej.com. And this course also will be available for our members in our YouTube channel. Perfect. Then let's get into the course inside. Thank you.